Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexi Nardoni if you're new here, and today we are going thrifting in Chicago. I can't wait to take you to my favorite street where I just love all the vintage shops and thrifting. It's amazing, so let's get going. This is my outfit for thrifting: a cute crop top, hey Charlie, some jeans, and my loafers. I'm sad at these jeans I've had forever and they're ripping on the ass. So we are thrifting today on Milwaukee Street. It's up north of downtown. You can take the blue line up to Damon and get off right there, and then you're at the street. So yeah, we're gonna do some thrifting, right Charlies? Spend all that money. It has been like a week and it's finally haul time. I wanted to show you not just the pieces I got in Chicago, but also the pieces I've got like this past month. There's only 4, but you know, just want to show them because I love them. Also check out my TikTok for the try on. But yeah, let's get right into it. The first thing I picked up this month, I was so excited when I saw this. I picked up this Coach little satchel bag. It's just plain brown leather. It's actually authenticated. There's like a serial number in it and everything. And I just love it. I think it's so cute. It'll be so cute for the fall, my fall outfits. And I can put like a little sketchbook and notebook in here. And I washed it already. And it's so nice. Yeah, it takes me like a week or so to do like hauls or even post on my like TikTok after going thrifting, because I wash all the clothes, including this leather bag. I had to hand wash it. And then for other pieces like the next one and then the jeans I show you, I have to take them to my seamstress, and she hems them and all that because all the clothes don't fit. And I've learned just taking them to this lady, her name's Helen, I love her, and she just like makes them perfect and they fit me perfectly. And I don't know why I didn't start doing this sooner. I tried to do it myself and it always just got fucked up because I don't know how to sew. But yeah, let's get on to the next piece. Lexi, stop talking. Next one is this beautiful midi skirt. I believe what's printed on it is supposed to be like Venice. It's like waters with some boats and houses, European house style. And I think this is just so cute for summer too, just paired with like maybe a crop t-shirt or a crop tank top, and just perfect for like, I think about like going to a park or something, or going on a picnic and wearing this skirt. Alright, now to get into the stuff I got in Chicago. So the first thing is this dress. You guys did not see this. I tried it on and I didn't have to even take it to the seamstress because it fits up perfectly. It's just kind of high neck, very like, I want to say 90s silhouette, but I thought it was cute. It has these little like fruit cuttings on it, and then like just little prints like with butterflies. I thought this would be cute with my like loafers or something really casual. Again, you know, wanted to get some casual dresses for the summertime. And then lastly, and my favorite piece, were the jeans you guys saw me try on in the mirror. I love them. They were the perfect length. I just had to take in the waist and butt a bit. But look at these. They're these like corduroy. I want to say this like navy almost, but between the corduroy it's like a tannish color. And I love this little detailing right here. It's just kind of like metal, and it says the brand name. It's attached. And then these pockets back here are just the cutest. They have little detailing, then it goes into a little like, I don't know what this was called, but it has the cutest little buttons. They're low-waisted. They make my butt look great. They make my legs look long. And I can't wait to wear these this summer with maybe like a crappy baby tee, and then maybe like I have some like platform sandals that are really cute. But yeah, so that is it for the haul portion of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really want to go back to Chicago soon. I love Chicago. I almost want to move there, but you know, moving's always like, and like I don't know what I want to do. And all the stuff I want to do, there's more opportunity in LA. But whatever. Maybe I'll move to Chicago one day for even like a year. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are subscribed down below so you don't miss the rest of my travels and all that. I love thrifting at every place I go to. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, girlies.
Change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.